myself, I'm staring at my shadow. Am I gonna be safe in getting through tomorrow?
Hello friends, hope you all are well. Kindly subscribe my channel. Today we bring Suzuki FX 1985 model. Powerful water dropping engine. New Bridgestone tires installed. New cover copper radiator installed. Comforter ballet seats. New seats cover installed. New electric wiring installed. Neat and clean original dashboard. Karachi registration. Original complete return file. CPLC clear. No work required, just buy and drive. Price, 1,55,000. Kindly subscribe my channel.
Looking for myself, I'm staring at my shadow. Am I gonna be safe in getting through tomorrow? When I throw me down, you could lead me to the side. You still raising me up, but when I look aside,